Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we're gonna try out a new video which is about cooking. I know to myself that I'm not good and not confident about my cooking skills because I'm not that kind of person. I'm the kind of person who eats the most when there's food and there's cooking happening in here. So I just got out of the bed and yeah, and did some chilling kasi nag-online class ako kanina. Starting 7 a.m. until 2:30 p.m. which is actually not so bad kasi normally my schedule is 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on Tuesdays. And then pinakamatagal ko 8 p.m. ang uwi. So, I'm going to be cooking some simple mojos since nakita ko siya sa Reels sa Instagram. So, I think this is a perfect opportunity kasi meron kaming potatoes. So, yeah, let's try. So, we're just gonna cook it like yung mismong potatoes lang, walang ibang ingredients, kundi potatoes lang. Siyempre, maliban sa salt because that's gonna be, at the end after the potatoes are being cooked. So, yeah, let's go prepare, I think. Yeah, let's go. Parang nakakapagod siya. Ayoko na. So, ayun, the first batch is almost done, which is like almost the slices that I made. Malapit na siyang maluto and ma-toast. So, kanina din, I'm actually planning to do some stuff. Wait lang, guys. Hi, guys! So, tapos na ako magluto ng mojos. This is actually like simple mojos lang. So, meron kami dito mga buckets ng ketchup sa Jollibee. So, ito yung mga nakukuha nyo sa mga deliver ata. I don't know. But yeah, nakita ko na to dun sa amin. So, mas okay sana if sa McDo kasi mas bet ko talaga yung ketchup nila dun. Anyways, we're gonna put some ketchup. Tapos, pwede natin siyang kainin. So, yeah. Yes, nalagyan ko na siya ng ketchup. So, ayun. I guess kakain na ako kasi nagugutom na ako kanina pa. Actually, tumayo lang ako dito sa kama kasi nagugutom ako. But, ay ngayon lang ako nagluto ng mga gantong bagay kasi normally mga itlog, hotdog, pancit canton, yung mga madali lang prituhin. Pero eto, madali lang din naman siya, pero it takes a lot of patience kasi kailangan mo siyang tostahin. Kaya, ayun, naubos yung pasensya ko, be. Kaya sabi ko kanina parang ayoko na. Pero, worth it naman siya kapag ikaw talaga yung kakain ng sarili mong luto. So, I don't know if mauulit pa 'tong mga ganitong videos kasi eto lang talaga yung nahaginap ko dito sa bahay na pagkain na puwede kong iluto. And I didn't manage to think of a content. So sabi ko, "Sige, ito na lang. Let's see kung magwo-work and then let's do that." So, kakain lang ako. Sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Sarap. Hi, guys. So, it's me again and today it is 9:44 AM. So, grabe, sobrang aga pa. And I still have 4 hours to go before my first class. which is online class. So, today, since sabi ko nga dito sa video na 'to, like as you can see on the title, it is about mojos and journal. So, mapakita ko sa inyo, this is my first time actually na i-share sa inyo yung latest na ginagawa kong journal. So, etong journal na 'to is it's not really a big of a deal kasi parang ano lang siya, monthly ko lang siyang ginagawa kasi since, you know, naging busy na yung schedule ko, I didn't have any time to be creative enough to make it all like a colorful journal. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung journal kit ko and I'm gonna share with you guys kung ano yung mga laman nito. So, let's get started. So, this is how my journal kit is looking like in the front. This is at the back. So, dito muna tayo mag-move sa first zipper sa front. So, first, my first ever ballpen na ginamit ko ngayong year ata sa journal na to. So, this is from Kuromi and ubos na siya. Hindi ko pa siya natatapon. I also have my old highlighters. Hindi ko na siya nagagamit kasi hindi na ako nagno-note sa school. Kumbaga, nag-rely na lang ako dun sa mga handouts na binibigyan nila instead of writing everything. And then, I also have this. This is from the Psychology Society. Hindi ko siya kayang itapon kasi core memory to eh. So, nasa memories ko na talaga siya. So, syempre, ayoko makalimutan kaya ako sila nilalagay dito. I also have this. This is a photo booth with my cousins. Sa pinsan ko talaga 'to, kaso di pa siya nakakapunta dito eh, so ayun, di ko pa nabibigay. And then next one, I have two staples. I have stickers from Psychology Society. I have notepad. And then I have bookmarks. Ayan. Let's go with this. Okay. So, this is actually my favorite part of this journal kit kasi dito lahat talaga yung mga essentials na kakailanganin ko. So, first, galing siya sa Psychology Society, which is yung pinakita ko sa inyo na may plastic. I also have this. This was given by my mother. So, tago ko lang siya hanggang sa maubos yung ginagamit ko. I also have this. Nandito lahat ng photo booth pictures ko. And yeah, pakita ko na lang sa screen kung ano yung mga nasa loob niya. And then, I have another notepad na hindi ko pa nagagamit kasi nga hindi na ako nagiging ganun ka-creative sa journaling. So, dyan lang sila. Ito. And then, these four kinds of notepads. Meron din ako ditong maliit na notebook, which is, ito yung pinilalagyan ko ng mga wishlist ko, yung mga gusto kong bilhin as of the moment. Pero since wala pa, hindi pa ako nakapag, pero ang last kong wishlist for Christmas is 2024 pa. Ayan siya. Ganun lang siya kaunti. So, eto naman yung journal ko, guys. Binili ko to sa Shopee. Ayan. Pero itong paper, pinrint ko lang siya tapos kinuha kong cover kasi ayoko naman ng sobrang plain. Ito, nakuha ko lang to nung grade 12. Ito naman from Psychology Society. Actually, itong journal ko na to, matagal na to. Kailan pa ba to? August 2023 yung pinaka-first kong calendar dito eh. Yearly to. Yearly pala yung bookmark na ginawa ko. And pakita ko sa inyo yung latest, which is yung ngayong year. So, this is the January calendar. Basically, ang paggawa ko kasi ng calendar ko is yung may mga color that is like meron akong agenda or may mga ganap sa day ko. And then, yung mga X, yung mga normal lang, tas walang masyadong event, ganun lang siya. And then, yung mga ganyan, ano ba to? Ito yung mga asynchronous class, asynchronous, tapos yung mga small events, Tapos, ganito yung diary ko and reflection, ganyan. Dalawang beses ako nagaganito every middle of the month, which is 15, and then end of the month. And this one is February. Napakadami nangyari ng February as in. So, kaya talaga madami. Sumabay pa dito yung exam week, kaya napakadami talaga. Yung mga blue, random events, yung green naman na nakikita nyo is yung exam week. Ito na yung March. Talagang wala pa. Kasi nga, don't have time to do anything or like to update my journal. Kaya sabi ko, ngayon ko nagagawin para isang bagsakan. Since yun nga, hindi pa ako makakagawa today ng reflection, I will just be creating a calendar for April. And yeah, let's see kung ano mangyayari. Yun lang naman. So, let's go, let's go, let's do this. Alright guys, so yun lang naman for my mojos and journal video. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo kasi since, you know, not everyone is interested to this kind of video. So, thank you for watching. Kahit yung mga latest video ko or like yung first and the rest of my videos this year is thank you pa rin sa mga nanonood like every video that I've been uploading this past few weeks. And I hope nag enjoy kayo. So, let me know if ano yung mga bagay-bagay or kinds ng vlog na um, gusto nyong gawin ko. And yeah, feel free to comment down below any suggestions kung ano yung mga pwede pa. Kasi, you know, I'm open to new suggestions kung ano bang mga gusto nyong ipagawa sa akin, Q&A and stuff like that. If you want, yeah, comment down below lang. So, ayun, I hope this video will give you a smile or even a good mood to your day. So, ito naman, and see you guys to my next one. Bye!